to this recipe, sinigang na hipon at pansit bihon gisado. So boil the shrimps, marinate the chicken, and saute the onions and garlic. Put all the veggies and yung sabaw na hipon ilagay din. Pag maluto na, ihaon, isit aside at i-boil na naman ang pansit o bihon noodles. So, ganyan lang. At pag mahubas na, maglagay na kunting mantika. At pwede na din ilagay ang topping natin. So, yan. Naglagay ako ng okra at couscous milk, salt, and black pepper powder. Yan. May pangsabaw na tayo at pansit for this recipe. Happy weekend, everyone. I hope you like this video. Follow for more.